Did you know that you've been throwing away one of the healthiest parts of a lemon? Lemon peels are packed with powerful nutrients, antioxidants, and essential oils that can boost your health, enhance your beauty routine, and even clean your home. Stay tuned as we reveal 10 amazing benefits and uses of lemon peel that will change the way you look at this citrus powerhouse. Hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness hacks. Let's start with the health benefits of lemon peel. Number 1. Boosts immunity. Lemon peels are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, helping your body fight off colds and infections. Try adding lemon peel zest to your tea for a natural immune boost. Number 2. Supports digestion. Running, feeling bloated? The fiber in lemon peel promotes gut health and keeps your digestion running smoothly. Number 3. Aids in weight loss. Lemon peel contains pectin, a fiber that reduces hunger cravings and helps burn fat faster. Number 4. Protects your heart. Rich in flavonoids, lemon peel can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve heart health. Number 5. Fights inflammation. Struggling with joint pain? The antioxidants in lemon peel help reduce inflammation and may ease arthritis symptoms. Beauty and skincare benefits. Lemon peels aren't just great for your health, they can also transform your skin and hair. Number 6. Brightens skin. Want a natural glow? Lemon peel's vitamin C helps fade dark spots and even out your skin tone. Try rubbing lemon peel on your skin or making a DIY mask. Number 7. Fights acne. Its antibacterial properties help prevent acne, reduce oil production, and keep your skin clear. Number 8. Strengthens nails. Yellow, brittle nails? Rub lemon peel on them for a natural whitening and strengthening effect. Household uses. You'll be surprised by these super cool ways to use lemon peel around the house. Number 9. Natural air freshener. Boil lemon peels in water for an instant refreshing citrus scent that eliminates odors. Number 10. DIY cleaner. Ditch the chemicals. Soak lemon peels in vinegar to create an all-natural cleaner that cuts grease and fights bacteria. Now you know, never throw away lemon peels again. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you in the next video.